Given that the domain of the sine function is restricted to negative pi over 2 and pi over 2, in order to define its inverse function, okay, so basically it's just reminding you, hey, by the way, sine looks like this. If you make the sounds, it makes it easier, right? And it's telling you in order for this to be a sine function, or in order for the inverse to exist, we have to cut u off at pi over 2 and negative pi over 2. Okay. Now, keep in mind, by the way, keep in mind what this is supposed to look like is its inverse is basically a mirror image that flips this sideways, okay, in order to find a central. What is the range of arcsin x? Now, arcsin is just fancy talk for sine inverse. Don't lose sleep over it. Arcsin is fancy talk for sine inverse. Now, I'm doing a bit too much. I just wanted to show you that, hey, if I were to take this and flip it sideways, we get this weird-looking thing that looks like this. Okay, that is what we get. Now, in order to define its inverse function, what is the range of arcsin? Well, the range of an inverse is the domain of the original. And it tells you right now that the domain is that. So the domain of the original is negative pi over 2 to pi over 2, which means the range of the inverse is going to be the same exact thing. All right, so kind of weird stuff going on. But yeah, there you have it.